last May, we went to Beijing, China to visit Great Wall and other tourist destinations in there. Yeah.
What kind of tourist attractions can be found in Beijing, China? Did you visit the Great Wall?
Yeah, like I said, we visit Beijing. First, we went to the Great Wall, and it was really nice in there. Well, it's just summer in there right now, so it's kind of hot, and we sweat a lot. And it's really nice to visit Beijing for travel, and I think it would be nice to visit it during winter also. Aside from that, we also visit Tiananmen Square, where a lot of history happened. We also see the bird's nest on a glimpse. It's because we just had this round tour around Beijing. And what else? Yeah, pretty much of Beijing we have visited. Any more questions?
So, how was the experience?
The experience for a tourist and have been traveling for a long time, it's a really nice experience. Well, to check one of the world's renowned attraction, which is the Great Wall, it really nice experience for me because I've been traveling a lot, you know. But the negative side of it is that Chinese people are so pushy on, you know, selling their items like teas, the tour, okay? And they're all gonna keep you at a closed establishment, okay, a restaurant or a tea house that we're gonna sell, okay? They will gonna, well, pipilitin ka talaga nilang bumili. That's the term, okay? Before you can go out, you must have to buy something from them. So that's a bad experience. But other, well, there is one more. We all know that China is a city or a country that serves vegetables and other dishes. So the hotel that we had is serving mostly vegetables for breakfast. Okay? So yun, hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung breakfast ng masyado sa kanilang food. Although, nag-ano naman ako, nag-travel medyo malayo ng konti sa hotel, kaya naglakad-lakad para makahanap ng mga street foods kasi that's one of the famous naman din sa kanila. We also tried petting duck for food, so I like it. So yun lang, vegetable naman ang lasa, and may mga positive and negative ways din talaga traveling in China.
What was the purpose of your travel day? Was it for leisure, business?
Actually, it's partly leisure, and the other part is our yearly or annual planning. It's a CMA planning. So we had our planning in China. So alam mo na, to magpabanding, faculty, magpabanding kami doon, ganyan, tapos may planning na rin. So parts yun. So it's leisure and planning at the same time.
What are your places that you visit internationally?
I have few lang naman. My first out of the country is Singapore. That was way back 2006. Okay. And then when I came back to the Philippines, I traveled to, well, I went to Hong Kong, Macau, ayun nga, and then I just came back from US, and the recent is to China.
How about domestic?
Domestic, well, since I'm a college instructor at HRM, so it's part of our curriculum to travel. I mean, not to travel, well, to have our shipboard training. Okay, so where the students are having their training on the ship, so pupunta na, we went to Cebu, Bohol. Okay. Well, my first local destination away from Luzon is Boracay. Okay, went to Boracay. The following year, I went to Cebu, Bohol, and then we went to Palawan. And then last year, we went to Palawan again, but this time, it's not just underground river or Puerto